I'm going to reveal you a bag that I have bought at a crazy price. I will tell you everything, but most of it I'm going to show you the color. Because if you follow my channel, you know that I was looking for a bag in a specific color, and I am really happy because I found it and I tested the bag because I got it since sometimes now. And now I'm going to tell you if it works for me. So let's go. Without further ado, the bag is from the French brand Lancaster. It's a brand that, yes, I love. I got some bags from them. It's less famous than Longchamp, but they do have great items at crazy price. And when I was in search of my bag, and for those who do not follow, but I was looking for a yellow bag. Yes, I was in search of a yellow bag, but a very bright yellow, not a pastel one, you know, really a bright yellow. And I have been looking everywhere since a long time, and one day I saw one bag, and I gave me the time because I wanted to make sure that the style was okay for me and so on. And I did well because I got the bag during the winter sale and even at the very end of the winter sale. And surprisingly, but it's quite normal also because I am a Lancaster customer, they send me a promo code and I use it, so I got really the bag at an incredible price. So without further ado, let me show you the bag. Here it is. Yes, you can see it's a really vibrant yellow, and the bag is the Lancaster Hobo bag. This is the small size because the bag exists in two sizes, so I took the small one, and the exact color name is teal. I will write in English the word, and here it is. It's a shoulder bag, but as you can see, yes, I can turn it into a crossbody bag. Since I got it, because I got it, it was it was mid-February, end February. I will write the right date when I got it because I use it because I wanted to see the bag if it was correct. And I was so excited because the color, it is exactly what I was looking for this spring summer. Because I do have a really lovely yellow pliage from Longchamp and I love it, honestly, but this time I wanted a leather bag. Longchamp has realized yellow bags last year for the Le Roseau and Épure line, but the yellow was too pastel for me, and the bag which were made, Le Roseau, I disliked the leather actually, and Épure, the bag are too small. I really wanted something with a mid-size which can fit a bunch of my items. So I choose this one and I wait till I got it on sale. So this bag is still produced by Lancaster. It retails at €185. So quite a nice price already because the bag is all in leather and I will show you in detail. In sale, this color was on sale, so it was at €92. So quite a bargain, nearly half the price. And thanks to the promo code that Lancaster sent me, I finally paid for this bag, €78,20. So not even the price of a wallet, a full leather wallet. And this is Koide leather. And I love it because it's the same leather as my Milano Ana. This one, which, look at it, I use it and it is still in amazing condition. It's a soft leather, really durable. It's a grain leather, so it's really, the scratches, you will not have one. I love it. It's really smooth and it's a pleasure to touch. So here is the bag. So as you can see, it's a shoulder bag, but I told you that you can change. You can also adjust the shoulder length like this. So if you want to have a very long shoulder, it's possible. And I do love the style. At the moment, a bunch of designers are making bags, you know, with the strap being longer than the bag. It's very fashionable at the moment. Of course, I have already decorated it with my Biba pouch in acid green, and because I do think it matches well with the yellow. So in the front, you just have the tag, which is clearly the symbol of the Dune, because it's from the Dune line. I do not remember if I told you. I just told you it's a Lancaster Hobo, but from the Dune line. And behind you've got a pocket. And let me open it for you. I do love the size because my phone don't fit inside, but my key, my car key and my home keys perfectly. And here you've got one main compartment. Let me show you. I don't have them with me, but I can tell you that my sunnies can fit inside, as well as a bottle of water. So as you can see, we have a flap pocket here. So I put my tissue and some pen. Oh, I got a matching pen in gold color. And you've got on the other side a zip pocket, but honestly, I don't use it for the moment because I place everything in the main compartment. So just to show you very quickly, I've got my Longchamp Candy Foulonné wallet, my compact one. Okay, I got document for my car. I got my, they are my favorite. Kipling, my coin purse. Cash buddy, I love it. I love it. I've got my little banana and I've got my mini creativity pouch, and this trio, it's a gem. Honestly, it's a gem. The only thing which is quite sad, because I got hook, and fortunately the hook are too small, so I cannot attach them here, and that's sad because I do think it will be lovely. You see? It's not the same yellow, but it will be very, very funny. But the hook is too small. That's sad. So I keep them inside my bag. I also have my little agenda for my meetings. And of course, because it's spring and you know, I've got some gummy for my throat, because sometimes with pollen, it makes me cough. So, and here we are, but it's a bag. The size is not crazy, but it's just a perfect size. I will write the dimension for an everyday bag. And I repeat, I was in love with the color. And oh, this is the back. You don't have any feet, but it's normal. You never have. It's really rare that you have some bottom feet on a shoulder bag. Sometimes it happens, but not all the time. But I can tell the leather is so resistant. It's not a problem if you put your bag on the floor. And so, my friend, I am really happy. And you've got this piece, you know, I was telling you that sometimes on Longchamp bag, you don't have this little piece of leather which fix your strap, and on Lancaster you've got them. So sometimes other brands are better than fashionable brand, but I really wanted a yellow bag in leather, and I do think it's really matching my taste, my wish. So I use it and I am really happy. It's a very lovely bag. It's super lightweight, honestly. Yes, I'm really happy because I wanted this yellow bag, but I didn't want to pay too much for it, honestly, because I know myself, I wanted a yellow bag, so maybe my craziness about yellow bag will last, 3-4 years, and after I will be bored. So I do not want to pay too much for it, but I do think that I got it at 78 euro. Wow. It's perfection. Honestly, it's perfection. It was, yes, I really wanted it. It was, I don't know if you can say it was a caprice, but I really wanted a yellow leather bag, and I love the yellow of this bag. and it's really comfortable. It's not very large, but even if your bag is full, it's really okay on you. Let me show you, like this. I wear it most of the time like a shoulder bag. I love the style. And so this bag is still produced, this bag is still available in 2 sizes, like I told you, in several other colors. Very, very lovely. They also propose another type. So maybe this specific model is going to an end, maybe not, but something that I really dislike on the new one, when you open the main compartment, you have a zipped pouch, a zipped compartment inside, but a massive one. I will insert pic, you will understand. And for me, this is really not practical at all, because I do think they place the zip not at the right place. So I really prefer the first version with the main compartment like this. It's easier to grab your things and place them back. I really prefer this one. My friends, that's all for today, but I wanted to share with you this bag that I repeat, I wanted a yellow bag, don't want to pay too much. Mission accomplished. I'm really happy, and I will keep you informed concerning the wear and tear, but I am not afraid because I repeat, it's the same leather of this one and it's really a crazy leather. I will soon make another video because Lancaster launched their second part for their spring-summer collection. And honestly, it's amazing. They are really lovely bag, but I will make a video concerning some of them that I really think they are great item for spring summer at a crazy price. But yes, wait for it. I'm going to prepare it because it will also include another brand which are proposing really lovely bag. But so stay in touch. Tell me if you know Lancaster, if you got bags from them. Yes, let's open the discussion about Lancaster. Please also tell me if at the moment you are looking for a bag in a specific color. You have this idea, yes, or maybe you want a purple bag and you are looking for it. Let's open the discussion about our wishes when we have funny wishes like this. Till the next video, take care. Thanks again to all my subbies who participate. I love you, my friend. You are treasures. If you keep looking at my video but you are not subscribed yet, please do. It's free for you, but for me it matters the world. Do not forget to boost, let a like, or even just an emoji in the comment. It really helps me. Thanks for everything. I love you and we see us soon. Bye bye.